In this video, I'm going to show you how to format a paper in APA style for students in Microsoft Word. Let's launch the Microsoft Word app. Take a blank document from here. The first thing you need to check is the margins. Go to Layout and click on Margins. In the drop-down, click on Normal. Now, go back to the Home tab and click on this icon in the corner of the Paragraph section. In the pop-up, click on Line Spacing and select Double. Now turn on the Don't Add Space Between Paragraphs option and click on OK. Now you need to change the font. Officially, we use Times New Roman or the Courier font. Click on the Font option and change it to Times New Roman. Make sure the font size is set to 12. Double-click on the upper part of the document margin. This will open the header menu. In the menu bar, click on Page Number. In the drop-down, click on Top of Page. Now, select the right side position for the page number. Select the page number. In the pop-up, click on the Font option and change the font to Times New Roman for this as well. In the header menu, make sure that these two options are turned off. Now we will format the cover page according to APA. Press Enter 4 times on the keyboard and set the alignment to center. Now turn on the bold option and write the title of your paper. Now press Enter 2 times and turn off the bold option. Now write your name and press Enter. Type your department name, add a comma, and type your university name. Type your subject code and name and press Enter. Now type your professor or advisor's name. But remember to add necessary titles with the name, such as doctor or professor. Now you have to add the date. Remember that in APA style, we add the due date of the assignment, not the date it was written or submitted. Now, bring your cursor to the end of the cover page and go to Insert. In the menu bar, click on Page Break. This separates the cover page from the others. Now copy your paper title and paste it on the second page. Set the alignment to left for the second line. Now write or paste your text here. Now we have to indent the text. Select the whole text. In the menu, go to the Paragraph menu again. In the pop-up, click on Special and select First Line. Now click on OK. Here you can see that the first line of our document is indented and our document is complete in APA style. Following these steps, you can format your paper in APA style easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.